to another vlog. Today I'm gonna be doing a day in my life in quarantine. I've realized that for the longest time I've been vlogging, but I never really did like a proper day in my life. It's officially been like over a month and a half, I think, since we've been in quarantine. But yeah, I never really did like a proper day in my life because honestly I wasn't even doing anything back then, so there was nothing really that I could show you guys. Yeah, also this is my third time filming this intro because no one really seems to stop talking in this household. Everybody wants to talk. I don't really have anything planned as of yet. I go with the flow. I got ready. It's about 12:30ish right now. I just made my coffee for the day. I did not have anything for breakfast today because I just did not feel like gotten ready. So I'm gonna film some content either for Instagram or my YouTube. Also, I went to bed early last night. One is also like okay as compared to 3 and 4. So yeah, I went to sleep early. I woke up at a decent hour, so not bad. Been catching up on everybody's YouTube videos. Also, I need to call my sister later in the day today because we have some bank stuff that we have to deal with. Made some pesto spaghetti. This was my first time making it, but I think I've done like a good job. Not bad. The sauce is really good too. Actually, I don't like pesto as much. I don't like the taste of basil. I know it's weird, but yeah, I don't like it. When the lockdown began, I actually really wanted to get pasta sauce. I ran out of pasta sauce. I just have pizza sauce at my home. So my parents got me whatever they got, and pesto was the only pasta sauce available, so they got it. Obviously, I don't want it to go to waste now, but I think it tastes really good. Spoke to my sister. We spoke business for a while, so I think that counts as productive. Actually, really excited for like upcoming stuff in my life, and I don't know how much of it should I share with you guys. When the time is right, I will obviously tell you guys. I don't want to like jinx it also. Obviously, with everything going on in the world right now, everything is like on hold. I was thinking today I would organize my dresser. Like I wouldn't touch or I wouldn't organize anything unless and until I'm building. Thought that I should also film like a styling video. I recently posted a styling video on my Instagram, a summer outfits kind of thing. So if you haven't watched that, you should definitely watch it. It's about 3 o'clock right now, so I think I have enough time on my hands. I can do that and then we can organize my dresser. I'm watching Sarah Beth's. Her videos are good.
2 hours later.
I just got done filming a styling video for my Instagram. I did like about 7 outfits and I'm already tired. The mess that I've created, I'm gonna show you guys that. I just have to like wind up everything now and like put everything back. I just wanted to update you guys. I did that. So that took about like 2 hours. I don't know if I still have the energy to like deep clean my dresser, but I don't know. Let's see. This is all the mess that I have to deal with. I'm just quickly gonna put y'all on time lapse and then pick all this up. I cannot function if my room is messy. Just quickly gonna do that and then we'll talk. Dealt with all the mess that I created and I'm gonna show you what we have to tackle, but I seriously don't even have the energy to like work on it. I don't think I'm gonna do that in this vlog, but I'll just show you. Lens cases and everything over here, my perfumes, my lipsticks, and all this mess. But I need to like deep clean it because there's like dust everywhere. This is what my days look like, either like shooting something or I'm just like editing videos. I was just looking for like beginners workouts because I haven't really worked out in days, so I cannot just do like hardcore workout. Also, I don't know if you guys remember the vlog wherein I spoke about how I just wasn't feeling like productive a couple of weeks ago. I saw that a lot of people were talking about it. A lot of people started talking about their mental health, about how the whole situation is making them not feel okay. Made me feel that I was not the only one who is feeling this way. You're just bound to feel that everybody else is being productive and you're not. That was the vlog wherein I mentioned that I was finally feeling okay and like I was ready to make more videos and I was ready to make more content. But immediately the week after that I couldn't upload a video. I just couldn't do it. Honestly, I've never been better. Spent time talking to my friends. I've spent time chilling at home, not doing anything. Sure, you must have gone through it too. My building, like my whole complex is sealed because we have one positive case in our complex. Not my building, but my complex. We're not allowed to go out, nobody's allowed to come inside. So that's whole another situation. Trying to keep myself as positive as I can. No matter how much you try to convince yourself, it still gets to you. Now that none of us can go out even to get like groceries or anything, we have to live off of whatever we have right now at our place. Of course, we do get essentials and everything. Also, let me know if you guys are interested in like morning routines and night routines and stuff like that. I might film that because I don't think I can film any more food challenges because that option is gone. I can't go out and buy stuff. Quickly gonna do like this beginner's workout that I found out. It's just a 20 minutes full body workout.
A few moments later.
I hardly worked out for like 10 minutes and my legs feel sore. Like, oh my god, I am so unfit. Freshened up and added a face mask. It's the Beauty Co glow mask. My legs are sore and I know that they're going to be so bad tomorrow. It was just 10 minutes. I hardly worked out for like 10 minutes and I was done. I'm on last episode of Peaky Blinders and I'm done after that. I'm so sad. I feel like I did so much today. I filmed for my YouTube obviously, and then I even like filmed a video for my Instagram. So I think we did a lot. I usually don't do this much. Some days though I don't even like leave my bed. I'm just gonna watch Peaky Blinders now. Also, what else are you watching? What are your favorite shows to watch? I don't watch as much Netflix, but there's like a few shows that I've watched. Elite, I loved Elite so much. Money Heist, obviously everybody's watched Money Heist, but Money Heist, Elite, Gossip Girl, and then now I'm watching Peaky Blinders. It's amazing. Quite shook actually that I've loved it so much. I'm not even kidding. I have Tommy Shelby dreams. I've gone crazy, I know, but yeah, these are some of the shows that I've watched. I've also watched Baby on Netflix. I love watching high school drama. Peaky Blinders is like completely opposite to that. I think I'm up for series like that also, so suggest some series down below. Also, like peel off masks, do they really hurt, or my skin is like overly sensitive? But it does hurt, yeah, I don't know why. It hurts like a little bit. I think I'm gonna end this video looking like a clown, but like yeah, whatever, like who cares. I'm just gonna chill for the rest of the night. I've done like overly productive things today, so I'm done for the night. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I love you guys so much and I will see you guys soon.